In a historic first, Indian origin Dr. Bobby Mukkamala has been sworn in as the 180th president of the American Medical Association, AMA. He is the first physician of Indian heritage to lead the influential organization. The appointment comes just months after Mukkamala underwent surgery for an 8 centimeters brain tumor, according to the American Medical Association. Reflecting on his journey, he said, "As I lay in recovery from brain surgery at the Mayo Clinic, with tubes and wires monitoring my every movement, this night, this honor, this opportunity to improve healthcare seemed a very distant dream." Addressing AMA members and guests, he underlined the urgent need to reform the U.S. healthcare system. "There are tremendous gaps in our healthcare system that require our attention," he said. "That's why continuing to fight for adequate health coverage for our patients is so important, and why fighting for a sustainable, equitable healthcare model is so important." Mukkamala has been a long-standing advocate within the AMA, chairing the Substance Use and Pain Care Task Force and working on evidence-based policies to combat the overdose crisis. His public service work includes leading the Community Foundation of Greater Flint during the water crisis, with a focus on projects that helped mitigate the impact of lead on children. Born to Indian immigrant doctors, Mukkamala credited his parents' sacrifices and his hometown of Flint for shaping his career. "I stand here tonight on the shoulders I quite literally stood on as a kid," he said. "Those of my parents, Apparao and Samanthi, 2 immigrants from India who settled in this country believing it offered them and their future children opportunities that simply were not possible at home." Mukkamala completed his medical degree at the University of Michigan and residency at Loyola University in Chicago and returned to Flint to practice medicine alongside his wife, Nita Kulkarni, an obstetrician-gynecologist. The couple have 2 sons, Nikhil, a biomedical engineer, and Devin, a PhD candidate in political science. Mukkamala also used his first speech as AMA president to highlight rising health disparities in underserved cities like Flint. "Life expectancy in Flint is about 12 years shorter than its suburbs," he said, adding that he and his wife have witnessed those disparities firsthand through their work. He warned that more doctors may leave private practice because of financial problems and a growing shortage of physicians. "Where are patients supposed to turn?" he asked, recounting how a patient preferred to wait 6 weeks for his return after surgery than seek alternative care. As president, Mukkamala plans to continue advocating for accessible, affordable care and greater government investment in research and public health. "Our patients deserve better. Our physicians deserve better. Our nation deserves better," he said.